Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome to CS for All. I am very happy today because there is something special. We are finally starting the specialization on competitive programming series. This series is all about algorithms and advanced DSA. My name is Sunil Hussain. I am a software engineer. In a few months, I will be joining Adobe. I am a mentor at TechMaestro. I have also worked with American Express, Reliance Jio and Discord in the past. So I have been an instructor for quite some time now and took over several live DSA classes over the years. So this series is an advanced series focusing on competitive programming concepts which are slightly advanced like mathematics, number theory, segment tree, game theory, and you will learn about the topics as you go through the curriculum. I have taught and mentored over 1,000 students and many are working in top product companies as interns. So what to expect after this series? You will master the popular techniques in algorithms and competitive programming. You will get more comfortable while writing code and thinking of optimizations when you are solving problems on platforms like Codeforces, or if you are appearing for competitions like ACM ICPC, Google Kickstart, Facebook Hacker Cup, and so on. And you will also become more confident while facing interviews, and this will also help you become a great software engineer as well. So competitive programming is all about sharpening your skills. So if you are a beginner or intermediate level DSA coder, this series is definitely going to enhance your skills to an advanced level. So what are the prerequisites for the series? We expect that you are comfortable while writing code with any programming language like C++ or Java or Python. For this series, we will be using C++. And another thing you should be knowing is the basics of data structures. What is a linked list? What is a hash table? What is a heap? All those things are expected from you. We will divide this series into 10 modules. Each module will have 4 to 5 sections, and these are the 10 modules which we will have in the series. Basics and STL, in that we will give you a quick recap of the data structures and space complexity. Then we have a module on mathematics. We will talk about linear occurrences, matrix exponentiation, big integers. Then we have number theory. We will discuss permutations and combinations, the theorems in number theory, greatest common divisor, extended Euclidean. Then we have algorithms, divide and conquer, brute force, backtracking, greedy. Recursion is also a part of algorithms. Then we have the range queries. There are multiple ways to do range queries. One is the segment tree, Fenwick trees, offline and online queries. We will cover game theory, the game of name, Sprague-Grundy, and all those stuffs. And then we have graph algorithms, very rigorous coverage on graphs. And we also have dynamic programming as a separate module because DP is something that is an important topic and a lot of people have a fear of DP. So we will cover DP in 10 to 12 hours. That is a very rigorous coverage of DP. And we will discuss variety of problems including digit DP, 2D DP, multidimensional DP, and SOS DP. And finally, there are advanced topics as well like pattern matching, policy-based data structure. So it will be a very rigorous series. It will take around 5 to 6 months to complete the series. The only thing we need from you is consistency. You can find someone who is doing this series with you. We call that person as an accountability partner. So pair it up with someone so that you don't lose your track while doing questions from this series or watching videos practicing on regular basis. It's very important you remain consistent through 6 to 8 months, whatever it takes you to complete this series depending on your time. But completing the series is very important if you want to master all the concepts. So let's talk about the series logistics. In each section, we will have concept videos, we will have coding videos where we will be writing the code, we will give you the code in the form of a code repository. There will be live Q&A sessions where we will answer all your doubts related to some of the concepts or problems you might be facing. There will be a community support. You can join the Discord server to interact with other people who are doing this series, and there are practice coding exercises which are really very important. So whatever you have learned, you can apply those skills by solving practice coding questions which will be embedded in the upcoming video descriptions. So we hope you are ready for some serious brain exercise, and from the next video we will start with the series. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Audio Jungle.